A chronic shortage of drugs and medicines meant that there was often little his nurses could do to really help Walter. He went through a minor operation before, and here he was now in a wretched makeshift hospital in pain, unable to walk and minus a big toe. One of the great scientific discoveries to come out of Changi Prison during the war years was the curative effects of palm oil when added to rice, the prisoners' staple diet. Overcome, they survived out of it. His infection continued to spread, and the British Army surgeon, Dr. Cameron, decided his only option was to remove Walter's foot. The two young Canadian brothers on duty carried him into the so-called operating theater that day. Walter had a rosary around his neck. Removing the foot, however, failed to stop the infection, leaving the surgeon with no choice at all. Were Walter to live, the whole leg would have to go, and Walter survived the operation. Dr. Cameron had the privilege to put Walter's foot on a small, secluded plot where he coaxed vegetables to grow to augment the miserable diet. Walter's leg ended up there with his toe and foot as fertilizer. The people was hurt, annoyed, and shocked to what he did. The Australian officer motioned for silence and spoke directly to the surgeon. He found himself sweating profusely and said that he had no choice but to do what he did to Walter's foot. With relief, he saw the soldiers nodding at one another.